Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make easy Oreo truffles step by step. Start by pulsing Oreos into fine crumbs, then add cream cheese and mix until smooth. Roll into balls on parchment and chill briefly so they hold shape. Melt chocolate for dipping, coat each truffle evenly, then return to the fridge until set. I'll share simple tips to keep coating smooth and truffles shiny for serving. Measure ingredients and prep tools before you start to streamline the process and avoid melting chocolate too long. Soften cream cheese slightly at room temperature for easier mixing, but do not let it become oily. Use a fork to combine crumbs and cheese until homogeneous, then scoop uniform amounts for even baking-free treats. Keep your dipping chocolate warm and smooth by stirring gently and avoiding excess moisture during coating. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes and rapid tips. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, pairs nicely with cozy baking breaks to rethink savings. Check the description for the link and other deals on tools I used, and consider grabbing a copy if you enjoy practical advice and calm routines. Now let's get back to the video. Forming consistent truffles makes for professional-looking results and even-setting times, so use a small scoop or scale. Chill the balls until firm to prevent melting when dipped in warm chocolate, and work quickly but carefully to keep the coating smooth. If the chocolate thickens, warm briefly in 5-second bursts and stir. Finish with sprinkles or drizzle for a decorative touch that adds texture and contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.